Hi, today I have a multi-lock for you guys. It's a Mul-T-Lock Garrison and it was sent to me without key, and it's 7-pin dimple long. It was sent to me by XB Modes, Jason J. Jason, thank you very much for sending it to me. And hopefully this is going to be my first multi-lock picked-on camera. And I will pick this one with this multi-pick. It was my new toy. They're very nice. I still have a mixed feelings, but I'm using this one like a couple of weeks, so I'm still trying to learn. It's a very nice handle. It's a bit smaller for me, but I'm used to bigger handles. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. But I really like the quality, and I'm sucker for multi-pick, so it is what it is. So let's start picking this one. 1 small click, 2 click, 3 nothing, 4 nothing, 5 nothing, 6 click, small false set, 7 nothing. Let's go back now. 5 is binding, and I'm in deeper false set. So let's continue picking. 1, 2, 3, counter rotation. Come on, I think I set, no, still not. Click from 3, 4, come on, 4, counter rotation from 4, click from 4, and now I think that's pin 7, click from 7, and we are open. It's a very interesting pick, to be honest. It's probably all spools, but I'm not sure, or some of them are probably spools. So let me bring my pinning tray. So let me adjust a bit camera, and yeah, I need to disassemble the C-clip. I already have in my collection Mul-T-Lock pinning pin. I think that's a classic one or something like that. I'm still trying to learn how to pick it, so I'm hoping that multi-picks will going to help me with their tiny pick for the pinning pin. So let's do it like this. I put the shim in. The pins are going to be on that side. Yes. Oops. I dropped the ball bearing. I forgot. I did not know that there is a ball bearing, to be honest. There it is. Here's that small ball bearing, so probably that's for when you put the key in, it's like snapping. 1 standard, 2 standard, 3 standard, 4 standard, 5 torpedo like, 6 standard, and 7 standard. So yeah, this is long, so it's a overset trap. Interesting from them. And probably everything is standard. Here's one drill protection here. There's the ball bearing, another drill protection, 2 drill protection. Interesting one. So let's try to remove the drivers. 1 spool, 2 spool, as I expected, 3 spool, come on, 4 spool, 5 spool, 6, 6 is the standard one, so there is no, so probably this was like, That's strange. I don't know, maybe Jason J mixed something up, but usually this is like drill protection. Probably it was like this, but doesn't matter. So here I remove one of the, it's a very dirty lock, so I won't drop all of the springs. So let me give you a close-up, or maybe zoom in a bit so you can see the pins. So as you can see, all the key pins are standard except pin number 5, that's a bomb-like pin, and it was interesting one. Hopefully focus, yeah. And everything else is spools, all the spools, and except the 5th or 6th one, I know I changed it. I think this is like they're going together, but I'm not sure. So yeah, that was the Mul-T-Lock Garrison, picked and got it. So guys, again, Jason J, thank you very much for sending it to me, and guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.